Ladies and gentlemen, my video is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the web push notifications that are related to the site Findatingpulse.live or Findatingpulse.live. This is a malicious site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. Findatingpulse.live presents fake alerts that try to encourage visitors into clicking on a special Allow button. The website indicates that you need to click on Allow, supposedly to help you watch some video. If the Allow button gets clicked by mistake, the browser will be hijacked and contaminated with multiple advertisements. These ads will be displayed in the form of intrusive push notifications. If you have clicked on Allow button, fix your browser by accessing the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Then go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. So pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove any malicious websites from the list. Finally, to be sure that the system is free of other possibly hidden threats, consider investigating it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and then begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.